Hi everyone, welcome back to Goms Tech Talks channel. I am Dr. Gomati. This video will be definitely useful for those who wanted to learn artificial intelligence. So this course will give you the basic essentials of understanding artificial intelligence, and you will have a practical examples, exercises, quizzes, everything. Okay, just watch it. So here this is provided to us by Microsoft. Okay, this is an artificial intelligence for beginners. Okay, so here you can see that Azure Cloud advocates Microsoft are pleased to offer 12-week 24 lesson curriculum. Okay, don't think that it will take 12 weeks, so it all depends on how many hours you can spend. Okay, so here you can see this is 12 week, which is, don't worry about the week, just to talk about the 24 lessons. Okay, you have 24 lessons. So what you will exactly learn in this curriculum? So you will exactly understand that knowledge representation and reasoning. Okay, neural networks and deep learning very clearly, TensorFlow and PyTorch, neural architecture, genetic algorithm, and multi-agent system. See, this curriculum will definitely useful for teachers as well, teachers, professors, those who wanted to add AI as a syllabus for your students. And if you wanted to keep AI basics, then you can definitely keep this complete curriculum as a basic structure for your students. If you are a teacher working in a school, if you want to teach your students with AI understanding, so please, this will definitely help them. Okay, so just scroll down, you can see what you can understand in the curriculum, complete thing which they have given here. This is a complete learning path. Okay, just scroll down, you can see introduction to AI. Okay, what is intro? The byte, whether if you have PyTouch, that is, when you wanted to learn PyTouch, there is nothing for introduction to AI. Just click the text. It will take you to the text. Okay, what is AI? So you can see the pre-lecture quiz here. Okay, if you want to understand the lecture quiz here, you can attend the quiz as well here. Okay, and once if you just you can see the quiz. Fine. This you can use it for your exams. Got it? So a weak AI and strong AI, what is this, what are that, so everything you can see this. Got it? So this is the basics one, and the next one, if you see, like, if it has any lab, okay, they have given that in the lab. You can click here, open the expert system, so it will take you to the lab. What are the things you should understand for the beginners? Okay, animals.ipynb, so you have to open that Python notebook and learn it. Okay, so everything, if you have lab, they have also given the lab here. Fine. So this is a lab assignment. It's a complete curriculum you can see here. Okay, this will be definitely will be a game changer for you. You can understand the complete basics of AI here. Okay, this is a mind map of the student. Since they have mentioned like this is a student, this is for the student hub page. But anyhow, you can definitely learn. Even if you are new to AI, you will understand the complete basic essentials for the AI. Okay, so here you have 50 total quizzes. Okay, with 3 questions each, which means you have 150 questions. You can learn it, you can understand it. Okay, so everything they have given in detail, so you can start learning it. Okay, so you can just understand what is a credit, and everything. Okay, start learning it right from today and understand what is AI, because AI is game changing now. Okay, yes, start learning. If you have any doubts, please leave your message, and I can definitely tell you that you will not get any certificate for this, but you will understand the complete basics of what is artificial intelligence. Since it is through Microsoft, whenever you complete anything, you may get a badge. Okay, if it connects to the Microsoft Learn. So please share your experience while learning this. I am very happy to receive your feedback. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.